Match the following and identify the correct option. Students, in this question we are given with two columns and we have to identify the correct match. So let's start. Number 1, we are given with CO and N2. Students, we know that a mixture of carbon monoxide and nitrogen gas is known as a producer gas. That means for A, the correct match is 2. Moving to next. Permanent hardness of water. Student, permanent hardness of water is due to the presence of soluble salts of calcium and magnesium in the form of chlorides and sulfates. That means for B, the correct match is 4. So here I am writing B, 4. Moving to next, CH4. Student, CH4 is an electron precise hydride. Since around carbon there exist 8 electrons. That means it is an example of electron precise hydride. That means for C, the correct match is 1. Moving to last, H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide. Student, H2O2, I am drawing its structure. Here we can clearly see that H2O2 has peroxide linkage. That means for D, the correct match is 3. That means the correct answer is option number B. For A, the correct match is 2. For B, the correct match is 4. For C, the correct match is 1. And for D, the correct match is 3. Moving to the next question. The number of protons, neutrons and electrons in cerium respectively are. Students, in cerium we can clearly see that we are given with mass number as well as atomic number. So student, let's move. So student, we are given with cerium, its mass number is 140 and its atomic number is 58. Students, we know that number of protons is equals to atomic number, which is equals to 58. Since we are given with a neutral atom, that means number of electrons is equal to number of protons, which is equal to 58. So here I am writing number of electrons is also equal to 58. And now we have to calculate number of neutrons. So number of neutrons is equals to mass number minus atomic number. So mass number minus atomic number. Since mass number is 140 and atomic number is 58, so number of neutrons is equal to 82. That means the correct answer is option number C. Protons and electrons are same, that is 58, and neutrons is equals to 82. Moving to the next question. The number of Faradays represented by F required to produce 9 gram of aluminium from molten AlCl3 is. We are also given with the atomic mass of aluminium, which is 27 U. Now the options are 2, 3, 1 and 4. Students, for this question we need to know that 27 gram of aluminium, that is 1 mole of aluminium, requires 3 Faraday. That means 9 gram of aluminium will require 3 divided by 27 into 9 Faraday, which is equal to 1 Faraday. That means the correct answer is option number C. Moving to the next question. Elimination reaction of 1-bromohexane to form hex-1-ene is dehydration reaction, dehydrohalogenation reaction, beta elimination reaction. So student, first of all we will be writing this reaction and then we will be able to analyze whether this is dehydration reaction or dehydrohalogenation reaction or beta elimination. So let's start. Since we are given with 1-bromohexane, so CH3, CH2, 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 CH, CH, CH2, Br. Now student, I am taking a base OH minus. This OH minus will attack over this hydrogen. This bond will shift here and this bond will shift towards bromine. And the product so obtained will be CH3, CH2, 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 CH double bond CH2, and the side product so obtained will be H2O plus Br minus. Now student, we can clearly see that here from a molecule hydrogen and halogen are removed. That means this particular reaction is dehydrohalogenation reaction. Also, the hydrogen removed was placed adjacent to the carbon to which bromine was attached. That means hydrogen is removed from the beta position. So we call this reaction as beta elimination. That means the correct answer is dehydrohalogenation and beta elimination. That means the correct answer is B and C. Moving to the next question. Identify the correct statement from the following. Students, in this question we are given with 4 statements and we have to identify the correct one. So let's start with the very first statement. Silicons are used in surgical and cosmetic plants. Student, this is a correct statement, as we know that silicons are inert in nature. As a result, silicons are used in surgical and cosmetic plants. Moving to the next statement. CO2 gas causes greenhouse effect. Student, this is also a correct statement, as CO2 is a major contributor to global warming due to greenhouse effect. Moving to the next statement. Quartz is extensively used as piezoelectric material. Student, this is also a correct statement. Moving to the last statement. Carbon atoms in fullerenes are sp2 and sp3 hybridized. Students, this is an incorrect statement, as the carbon atoms in Buckminster fullerene are sp2 hybridized. That means all the carbon atoms here in Buckminster fullerene are sp2 hybridized. That means the correct statements are A, B and C. That means the last option is the correct answer. Moving to the next question.